Hello everyone! Welcome back to Grammar with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to explore a very important part of English grammar, adverbs. We will understand what adverbs are, the different types of adverbs, and we'll go through clear examples to make everything easy for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize adverbs easily and use them correctly in your sentences. So let's begin. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that adds more information about a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. It usually answers questions like how, when, where, how often, and to what extent something happens. Think of an adverb as a word that gives extra meaning or detail to an action or description. For example, she sings beautifully. The adverb beautifully describes how she sings. He will come tomorrow. The adverb tomorrow tells when he will come. In simple words, adverbs make your sentences more interesting and clear. Why are adverbs important? Adverbs make your speaking and writing richer. They give depth to your sentences and make your message more precise. Without adverbs, our language would be very plain and basic. Types of adverbs. Now, let's talk about the different types of adverbs. There are several types, but we will focus on the most common ones. 1. Adverbs of manner. These adverbs tell us how something happens or is done. Examples: he runs quickly. They answered politely. She danced gracefully. In these examples, the adverbs quickly, politely, gracefully describe how the actions are performed. Most adverbs of manner end with lie, but not always. Some words like fast, well, and hard are also adverbs of manner. 2. Adverbs of time. These adverbs tell us when something happens. Examples: she will call later. I met him yesterday. We will start now. Here, the adverbs, later, yesterday, now, give information about the time of the action. 3. Adverbs of place. These adverbs tell us where something happens. Examples: please sit here. He looked everywhere. They live nearby. Words like here, everywhere, and nearby show the place where the action happens. 4. Adverbs of frequency. These adverbs tell us how often something happens. Examples: I always brush my teeth before bed. She rarely eats fast food. We usually go for a walk in the evening. Words like always, rarely, usually tell us about the frequency of an action. 5. Adverbs of degree. These adverbs tell us how much or to what extent something happens. Examples: she is very talented. I almost missed the bus. They are quite happy. Words like very, almost, and quite show the intensity or degree of the action or description. 6. Interrogative adverbs. These are the adverbs used to ask questions. Examples: when will you arrive? Where are they going? How did you solve the problem? Words like when, where, and how are interrogative adverbs because they are used in asking questions. 7. Relative adverbs. Relative adverbs connect two parts of a sentence. Examples: this is the place where we met. Do you remember the time when we first talked? Here, where, and when act as connectors. How to identify an adverb. Here are a few easy tips. Look at the verb. Is there a word that tells how, when, or where the action is happening? That's likely an adverb. Check for lie ending. Many adverbs, especially those of manner, end in lie, like happily, quickly, slowly. Ask questions. If you can ask how, when, where, how often, or to what extent and get an answer, that answer is usually an adverb. For example, she drives carefully. How does she drive? Carefully? Adverb. Important points to remember. Not all adverbs end with lie. Words like fast, well, soon, and hard are adverbs too. Some words can be used both as adjectives and adverbs, depending on how they are used. Example, he is a fast runner. Adjective, he runs fast. Adverb, adverbs can move around in a sentence, especially adverbs of time and frequency. Example, usually I drink coffee in the morning. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning, usually. Common mistakes with adverbs. Sometimes learners confuse adjectives with adverbs. Remember, adjectives describe nouns and adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example, wrong, she sings beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. Correct. She sings beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb. Conclusion. All right, in this video, we have learned what adverbs are, why they are important, the different types of adverbs like manner, time, place, frequency, degree, interrogative, and relative adverbs, how to easily identify adverbs, common mistakes to avoid. By understanding adverbs and using them correctly, your English will become more natural, detailed, and professional. Keep practicing and try to notice adverbs whenever you read, listen, or write English. Thank you for watching Grammar with Altaf. See you in the next video with another important grammar topic. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.